Today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on LinkedIn. Okay, we're looking at LinkedIn's two-factor authentication. We're going to look for our profile picture, top right. Look for settings and privacy. Settings and privacy, you'll see over here, sign in and security on the left-hand side. At the bottom, you'll see two-factor authentication. Here, you can click on setup. You will now add in, you're going to go and download a LinkedIn app. And then you're going to go ahead, once you have accessed that, you'll be able to click on yes, and it'll be able to update your security or your two-factor authentication settings. If you don't have access to this device, just go ahead and click on I don't have access to this device. You can now go ahead and download the mobile app and then go through the process of clicking on yes, and then you'll be able to set up your two-factor authentication, whether that be on an Authenticator app or one or two other methods.